Hello, my name is Shin. I'm Director of Korea IT Cooperation Center. First of all, a big appreciation for IPI to hold Tech Innovation 2021 through difficult times. And many thanks for all the participants from Singapore, Korea, and other parts of the world. I'm very pleased to take part in Tech Innovation as a key partner for the first time. Since its establishment in 2014, KICC has tried to outreach excellent counterparts in Singapore as well as neighboring countries. KICC also tried to expand the network for cooperation locally and globally. It is exciting that I can introduce many prominent Koreanized companies. I'm sure that you will be able to find many interesting players here. And I'm sincerely hope that we can build stronger partnership. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, my name is Yenny Kim. I'm from a Korean startup called 12CM, and today I will be introducing our company as well as our technology. So before I introduce our company, let me start with a very quick service demo for you. So this is a digital stamp that works on your smartphone screen. And this service demo is a loyalty stamp card feature where you can collect stamps such as buy 10 cups of coffee and get a free coffee coupon. And you can also redeem the coupon by stamping on your phone. We call this technology Echoss, which is basically an authentication tool of any kind of transaction. So our company, 12CM, was founded in 2013 in South Korea. And with this technology that I have just shown you, we now have 53 partners in over 20 countries, and we have distributed more than 500K stamps globally so far. So back in 2012, our founders were working on a project to launch a loyalty service and payment application. And while launching the service, we had to encounter lots of problems with existing point of sale systems and other system integration, such as barcode reader or QR code scanner and extra at each location. So we finally developed an innovative technology to overcome those problems, which was the Echoss Smart Stamp. So just to briefly explain our value proposition, so the Echoss Smart Stamp does not use any electronic power or battery. It is static touch based, which means it is compatible with all types of smartphone in the world, as all smartphones use capacitive touch screen. And inside the stamp, there are 5 touch points located in unique geometric pattern, and each pattern acts as a location ID, and we can create more than 3 million unique patterns. And now this technology is supported by 215 patents and 3 PCT registrations globally and domestically so far. And now, there are lots of different services that you can provide with this Echoss Smart Stamp. It can simply be the loyalty service that I showed you at the beginning, but you can also do some kind of discount coupon or prepaid voucher, which can be redeemed by the Echoss Smart Stamp. Or you can offer some kind of check-in service by letting the customer stamp on their phone at the entrance of a location and etc. And now for our global business model, we operate a partnership model where we provide our platform software, Echoss Stamp hardware, and the authentication server to our partner. Our partners then use these business components and apply them to an existing app or build a new service model from the ground up. And the potential companies that we can potentially collaborate together can be the loyalty service provider. This could be a company with their own loyalty platform, an app developer for big brands and franchises, or a company that has an existing service but is looking for additional revenue models, operators with merchant network, or we are also seeking for some sales agents for the stamp card wallet service as well. So yeah, and Now, if you're interested in our technology or if you need more information about our company, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sungwoo. I'm here to introduce my company, POS Mapper. POS stands for full word starting with S. Special means that our company deals with special information formed with drones, and we use smart technology such as deep learning algorithm based on artificial intelligence. POS Mapper is also a social company providing service for road maintenance, environment, and future industries. Has anyone here experienced inconvenience because of a crack on the roads? Road crack and damages can lead to serious accident and make it hard to maintain the road. There are three main problems related to road maintenance: administration systems, research systems, and road network system. These problems in turn caused increased severe appeal from road use and high maintenance cost. In order to deal with these problems, we came up with the idea to combine drones with artificial intelligence technology. We remove car image on the road in order to detect current road status. This can give predict safety information data, which is necessary for maintenance. The picture right below shows the clear road without any cars by recognizing cars and removing the images of them. Our technology has many advantages over other maintenance methods. PMS, MMS, which is a road maintenance specialist vehicle, can only shoot one lane at the time and takes 45 minutes per kilometer. If it is done by human labor, it has very limited range and take about 90 minutes per kilometer. With our drones, you can shoot more than 8 lanes at once and take only 25 minutes to shoot 1 kilometer, which is at least 4 times faster than other methods. This page shows our integrated platform software. There are 3 main types: geospatial information, DAS, and DTM. This is exhibition. It would like to introduce CfSM, which is based on DTM ML. Can you see the difference between the picture on the left and the right? This is road image created by integrating image from drone that are 60 to 80% similar to each other. This picture on the right, this is integrate images after removing car images using deep learning algorithm. We make a car-free street map by combining these integrated images. AFGG, auto labeling, 5G, and geospatial information, high definition safety map. Following list show the customers of our company. Any company that use maps such as government, institution, telecom, web portal, automobile. This slide shows our market size within Korea. In Korea, length of the road is approximately 110,000 kilometers, including expressway, local road. We have 3 business models. First is a map API. Second is a semantic image mapping. Last one is a safety map and navigation map for self-driving cars. We sell road image without cost to car navigation companies. All of these product and business models are made by our members, as shown in this slide. These are CDO, CTO, TM, CSO. And here are the members, BD department, who are responsible for AI imaging processing. If you would like to join us, please contact us here. We have a head office and research institute in Seoul, the capital of Korea. Thank you.
Hello, nice to meet you. This is Helen Kang, Overseas Sales Manager of Ahranta Incorporated. Today, I'm going to introduce Ahranta's safety solution that transmits live video, audio, and location based on smartphone app. Before starting, let me show you Ahranta's comparative value. We are the first developer of remote support system in Korea and have been providing remote access and security solution for 30 years, reaching 40% of Korean market share. Ahranta have served about 5,000 clients such as public organizations, banks, and large enterprises which require high trust for 30 years. Now let's start overviewing Smart Emergency Alarm Solution. This mobile app service allows to quickly respond in various emergency situations such as violence, crime, accident, etc. It sends real-time video streaming and location after an SOS sent. Now you see below diagram of SOS progress. When an emergency happens, users send an SOS by pressing the SOS button on the app. Then report will be received to control center and recipient, like your guardian. With video, sound, location, we can understand the situation so that we make the prompt action to call rescue center, like police and 911. Here's how to send an SOS. In an emergency, just press the SOS button for 3 seconds on your smartphone, or share your mobile, or text message. But an inventive method is that you can send an SOS even on the lock screen to call ASAP. After sending an SOS in emergency, both control center and recipient are notified. The first connected only can control user's camera and microphone, and the others will see live streaming video. By taking the video, audio, location around the user in real time, they can respond according to danger level. There are also additional features such as safe return and share location. After user starting safe return, it shows the location every 30 seconds with destination related information. And share location is just like safe return, but it doesn't have destination information. You can assure that Smart Emergency Alarm provides reliable information protection function. As a communications security expert, Ahranta applies SSL secure security and encrypt every database and sensitive information to Smart Emergency Alarm 2. The pyramid you see now is target user of the solution. You may see that we secure broad target layer by various custom according to the danger. At the bottom is natural disaster. Up is vulnerable for safety. In the middle is violence, sexual assault. At the top is accident, industrial site, and construction site. This slide shows an example of response. For public, our location and video streaming service can be applied for current smart city CCTV center. We've introduced the emergency responding solution in Daegu CCTV center. It's metropolitan city in Korea. This is the last page of my presentation. We have got multinational patents from Korea, USA, China, and one pending in Vietnam. Thank you for listening my presentation, and please contact me for any questions on it.
Hi, I'm Jane, Global Marketing Manager in AIDOT, Korea. My pleasure to have a chance to introduce our company and product. Our product Cerviray AI is to protect women's health with early screening and AI. Our value proportion lies to help humans live better lives by predicting disease in advance using AI technology. Also, our motto is on to be the world #1 leading company in AI-based medical ICT industry. You can see the world medical market on this page. The cervical cancer is the second most common among the women cancers. And especially cervical cancer has a high mortality rate, which is up to 54%. And it's a disease we can prevent very easily once it is found early. Let me show you the existing method first. Existing method is cytology, so-called pap smear. This is the most conventional use method. And the cytology method is has high false negative rate of 55%. And because the reason is the doctors take the cells, the doctor doesn't take the whole part of the cell. He or she takes the partial cells of the cervix. This is why we have the high false negative rate. False negative rate can be kind of the error rate as well. And it needs a high cost because it requires the laboratory and equipment. And it takes a long time to get the result from the 7 to 30 days. And another method is VIA method. This is not a very conventional method. It is a visual method which we use our naked eyes. But the problem is it has a high subjectivity. And then we don't have enough specialists for this naked eyes observation pathologist. But our solution Cerviray AI overcame the weakness of the cytology and the VIA method together. We have the high accuracy of the AI readout, and then we need only low cost because we don't need laboratory. And then it takes a short time to get the result. Our AI gives a few seconds of the result. And then for the remote diagnosis, we can get the result within 24 hours. And then no need medical infra needed for the huge equipment. And for the product, our product consists of the hardware and software. And as you see here, our hardware is very small size. We can carry it on our hand. It's portable and they're working under the Wi-Fi customs. We have the high sensitivity of 93% and specificity of 89%. This is a TTA Institute official score. You can see other the competitive products, but only our solution has the auto and manual focus and AI function. Besides, we have the remote diagnosis function. So you can see our strength on the high technology and low price. This is our expectation. So in five years, we expect our sales of the $800 million. This is our go-to-market strategy. We are especially getting the positive response from the Southeast Asian countries. Our business model is the hardware sales and the continuous software without fee. We're almost closing our Series A stage of the $3 million so far. And then next year, we are starting the Series B. And next year, we are planning to get the IPO. This is our core team. So we have so many specialists of the IT and the global area. So this is a section. We have the 40 IP intellectual properties. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Julius at the AppMedia Incorporations. Our main item is AppBook. New digital book AppBook is a mobile application book. So what's AppBook? Download the app and read the book. It's an AppBook. AppBook has various functions. It's an interactive and indirect experience can use. So you can draw pictures, find your own pictures, watch it on VR, and enjoy video. All kind of content you can enjoy on this page. I'd like to explain our AppBook. First, video familiar to us. AppBook uses the same as a paper book. So you can read from left to right, from up to down. And video new to us. Our AppBook can use the video and enjoy the quiz and enjoy the mini game and linked event. And VR. VR is virtual reality. AppBook in comparable accessibility is compared to paper book. And AppBook different from both web and app. AppBook design optimized for mobile. So you don't need to zoom in or zoom out. And AppBook is have two types. First, volume type, and second, container type. Container type, bookshelf form. So it's contained content, such as monthly magazine or weekly magazine. Our representative AppBook is KIAP. If we access this page, kiap.org, you can watch this on this page. And first page is how to use. If you touch twice, you can watch the bottom of page on this thumbnail. And up page is content and bookmark. So for example, this 2448 moon artifact is access this page. So you can access the homepage, call the phone, and find the location of the company. Before COVID-19, public government organization newsletter supporting, such as Board of Audit and Inspection, and Supreme Court, and Ministry of Education. All kind of content is weekly magazine or monthly magazine. And COVID-19, after COVID-19, spring for business, such as education and publication and exhibition and tourism, and so on. So our business is non-face education service. If we access the AppBook and enjoy the learning of the content, and you can enjoy the motion recognized kiosk. It's a step-by-step. Our last business plan is intelligent sharing the content. It's a AppBook platform process. Publishing company or person, each content built by our AppBook builder program, and AppBook source file upload AppBook platform and sharing the user. And our AppMedia profit model is rental kiosk and player advertisement and create an AppBook. So if you have any other question, please let me know what you want. And our AppMedia's motto is fair education environment. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Wahseng here. I'm responsible for algorithm development in Deepixel. I'm so happy to introduce Deepixel and Style AI to you. Deepixel is a visual intelligence deep tech startup based in computer vision and machine learning. We are mainly focusing on developing virtual try-on technology using only a single camera system called Style AI. What makes us interested in virtual try-on technology in e-commerce? In the new norms of interaction, we believe our technology can encourage social distancing, contactless marketing, and safety first. Also, our technology can help save the environment by reducing the waste and carbon footprint occurred by huge online returns. This is because at least 30% of all products ordered online are returned, and this return rate is 3 times bigger than offline stores. Return rate is low due to poor customer satisfaction when shopping online. We can summarize the problem with the current market with the following. Number 1, hygiene status in offline market. Number 2, poor shopping experience in online market. Number 3, high return rates. Thankfully, Style AI can handle the above problems by helping consumers find the perfect match through realistic AI experience and highly personalized recommendation through big data analysis. By using Style AI, online sellers are able to maximize marketing effectiveness of their product, increase customer engagement, provide safe contactless service, and reduce return and logistic costs. Consumers, on the other hand, get to enjoy highly customized shopping experience. Okay, it's time to see Style AI's technology in action. First, this technology utilizes computer vision and machine learning-based real-time detection and tracking method that works in any mobile environment, not dependent on ARKit or ARCore. It works in low-end mobile device without requiring any template, marker, and QR code. It can be applied to any mobile with a single camera due to extremely optimized algorithm which does not require dual or depth camera. Also, it provides a natural and enriched reality by the rendering engine and software. It works with advanced image processing with noise reduction. This technology analyzes face-enhanced metadata to enable personalized recommendation services in terms of skin color, facial ratio, shape, and so on. As you can imagine, this technology can make new opportunity in online and offline businesses. It can be used for advertising and various commerce platforms like live commerce, TV home shopping, smart mirror, and the emerging metaverse commerce to improve customer engagement experiences. Thank you for watching the introduction of Style AI. If you have any interest or question, please visit Style AI website www.styleai.ai. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Andrew Wong from Future Maine. I'd like to thank the IPI for giving me this opportunity to participate in this event, and I'm excited to introduce Future Maine's auto fault and diagnosis solution called the EXRDM. Future Maine is an engineering company that specializes in machine fault diagnosis and smart factory solutions. We have over 35 years of experience in machine maintenance engineering, and our auto fault diagnosis and monitoring solution is called the EXRDM. It is a predictive maintenance software that uses a combination of AI and big data to automatically diagnose machines. Our software is currently used at any number of facilities ranging from petrochemical plants, power plants, to manufacturing factories. Our company not only develops the software for this technology, but we also customize the parameters and perform sensor and server installation directly on site as well. We have 15 patents, including 3 patents with the PCT, an ICT conversions quality certification, and an ISO certification as well. The EXRDM meets not only the requirements of the Korean government, but also global standards such as the ISO. Typically, in order to find out where the faults occurred, when it started, and what kind of defect has happened in an industrial machine, the engineer or machine manager must analyze a continuous stream of data. We once did an interesting test. After installing 6 sensors in one machine, we measured the amount of data typically used for fault analysis, and the amount of data collected during the course of a single day was about 1.2 gigabytes. In other words, when the collected data is converted to A4 paper, it becomes about 200 million copies. It is impossible for a person to manually analyze such a large amount of data. That's why we invented an AI solution to automatically diagnose your machines. Based on our aggregation of big data, which was collected during our engineering out in the field, and by using AI technologies, we can evaluate machine conditions in real time and automatically diagnose faults when abnormal data is detected. By using this solution, in-house experts or engineers can diagnose machine faults very quickly and efficiently. This software was invented for professional engineers, but is easy to use for novice engineers as well. It can help engineers make smart decisions and help them manage their machines easier than ever. The EXRBM does not only tell you that a fault is occurring, but specifies type of fault, the cause, and gives a maintenance recommendation as well. The red, orange, yellow, and green dots that you see on your screen are direct indicators of the status of the machine that are determined by the data that the sensors are collecting. Green means the status is good, yellow is satisfactory, orange is unsatisfactory, and red is unacceptable. Our solution will automatically diagnose any faults that occur, and the results are accessible within a single click. FutureMain also offers the ability to see a more concise version of the EXRBM through a mobile smart tablet or smart glasses. By using a mobile smart device, one can see a heads-up display of the machines and the sensors attached, as you can see in the picture above. This mobile platform is convenient for the workers in moving around the site and accessing the software on the go. Many client companies opt to add this feature to their package in order to provide mobile accessibility for their workers, as it is especially useful for new workers who do not know where the sensors are located or what the inner workings of the machine look like. We also offer a SaaS service from a cloud platform, which is one of many diverse services that we offer. In addition, as a result of conducting tests with 300 facilities, we achieved 98.3% diagnostic accuracy and obtained various certifications, including the K-Mark certification, as you can see on the screen. The EXRBM is not a concept that needs to be proven. It works and is already used by many major corporations. We at FutureMain proudly offer our certified EXRBM and urge companies who wish to purchase the EXRBM or want to distribute the EXRBM in new markets, as well as global investors, to contact us for more detailed information. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Yenny from SizeMine. We are a fashion AI company that develops a size matching solution. I will start with our company overview. There are 6 members in our team, and it is composed of individuals with doctorates in AI field and fashion experts. We are conducting a joint study with the University Department of Fashion. Our main business is SizeMine, which is a fashion size matching solution. To make this technology, gathering data are kind of the most important part. So we collected lots of 2D and 3D data, and we are still working on it. The reason we started SizeMine was closing size issue. I think almost everyone living in 2021 have experienced buying clothes online and returned them because of the size issue. I also have those experiences, even though I majored fashion. So fashion companies are having trouble with this return issue. There are more than 50% of customer service reps in e-commerce that are responsible for returns. And for consumer, they hesitate to purchase more items for new brands because of the size diversity in brands. For the last, ESG is an issue in the whole world, and these returned clothes are thrown away about £5 billion per year. By introducing our solution, I think the problem that I mentioned can be solved. Using SizeMine is pretty simple. You just have to take a picture of your front whole body, then SizeMine will analyze your body size in less than a second with high accuracy. And with this high accuracy, virtual fitting is also possible. This is our user flow for customer. And you may be wonder whether the customer has to download our application to use this solution. But as we put our solution into the e-commerce mode, user can use it right away in that mode. And also, you don't need a special equipment like LiDAR or AR to measure one's body. Another solution for SizeMine is a size DB operation. Since there is a significant difference in size information between overseas and domestic brands, user can view different size information by brand at once through AppMedia's virtual fitting. There were lots of efforts to solve these sizing issues, but they all had limitations. And yes, there are our competitors who use picture to measure the body size. But AppMedia has powerful advantages because we only need one picture to measure and it takes really short. Also, 3D virtual fitting is possible. To show you a problem solving by our solution, we had a test with small fashion e-commerce malls in Korea, and it shows us that by introducing our solution, the revenue increases about 25%, and the return rate due to size decreases about 30%. This is technology what we use for our solution. AI and virtual fitting are the most important technologies. And we have one patent holding about body model generation devices and methods. About sales methods, we are a B2B market, and it is going to be a subscription system that vary by market size. And about current development status, we are still working on gathering users' body data by 2D and 3D to make more accurate. So we are going to launch B2C version this September, and by launching B2C version, we can test it in users who download our application and provide validation from real users to our e-commerce customers. After that, we are going to launch B2B version and go into the market. Since we already have Chinese branch, I think the first overseas expansion is going to be China. We made MOU with Handuiso, so we can go right into Chinese market as we launch Chinese version. So we need two things, business partnership and funding. About business partnership, we want to get with fashion e-commerce malls. And we are currently fundraising a seed round of US $500,000. We are seeking investors who have experience in fashion and e-commerce. Here is my contact information below. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Stefano. I'm the executive director, CTO for Innovations. Today's announcement is about total safety service platform. Let me introduce our company. It's the startup that's been around for years. The main business is researching and developing internet-based safety management platform and IoT-based consultation size safety big data platform. We are preparing for overseas expansion targeting Asian and North American markets, including Singapore. So we are looking for active business partners or investors that can help us enter Malaysia, Singapore market. My presentation consists of two main parts. This is the past project SM2021, Smart Industry Measurement. The beacon signal attached to the worker and defines the current works location and secures the operates safety distance between the structures and constructions, equipment, providing real-time risk notification information. It receives work of faith, safety information, IoT sensor information, and video information through various communication platforms in conjunction with IoT-based location systems. So, gateway installed in the workshop, packaged and equipped with GPS, Bluetooth reception module, and communication chip, Wi-Fi, LTE, HDMI. Gateway receives directional reception with beacon that the operator has. The beacon directional reception function allows the operator to approach the area within 10 meters where the command is working. Ensure the safety of the operator by informing them that there is. This is the second product, is safety service platform for school vaccines for children. A safer system prevention platform based on IoT using beacon, AP, GPS, Bluetooth reception module, which uses IoT, automatic drive of service, push message transmission. This platform provides children function between parents and boarding teachers and provides confirmation and warning notification through motion sensor. Sure. I'd like to finish the presentation. In conclusions, I would like to propose an investment to our company. Thank you for your attention.
Hi, my name is Bao, Manager of Marketing Department in LeapPoint System. And today I'll be introducing our intelligent cold chain platform, FreshTrack. LeapPoint System is a technology and consulting specialized company in blockchain and AI. Our company was established in 2008, and with 14 years of experiences, we could become one of the best within the IT industry. Our main industry field includes AI, blockchain research and development, cold chain, and app developments. LeapPoint System has its own blockchain platform called InnoBlock platform, and blockchain-based online voting solution, InnoVoting, as our commercialized products. We got our seed investment from Atri Holdings and InfoBank, and we also participated in several accelerating programs. LeapPoint System also has top 3 achievements in blockchain references of public, finance, manufacturing, etc. here in South Korea. So what kind of problems can FreshTrack solve? As COVID-19 has changed the way of people's daily life, like how they're living nowadays, the cold chain system in logistics or delivery system became more essential. As for manufacturer, due to production tracking issues, there might be some fake products like fake vaccines or fake fresh foods being delivered. For the transit company, there are some uncertainties of responsibility with spoiled products during delivery. So for example, when the product or a certain food goes bad during the transit, is it gonna be the driver's fault or the fridge manufacturer's fault? Some problems like this is happening pretty often. And for customers, they are always curious about the originality and and the quality of their products they ordered online. And that's why we developed our cold chain platform, FreshTrack, to solve all these problems. FreshTrack is based on IoT, AI, and blockchain technology. IoT technology is for collecting the data like temperature, humidity, shock data, etc. And AI technology is to analyze the collected data and predict the risk in safe logistics. Lastly, blockchain technology is to make sure the originality cannot be manipulated, and all the players in this logistics process can monitor the entire process. As you can see from our FreshTrack concept map, the main FreshTrack service is composed with our blockchain platform and AI platform. With each IoT sensors attached to each delivery vehicle, it can help keeping track of every data related to the product's quality being monitored by each players, from manufacturer, storage manager, even to customers. We are targeting our market, which is very sensitive with cold chain logistics. Our main targets include delivery or quick services by individuals or major companies, food ingredient transporting companies, pharmaceutical manufacturers, warehouses management companies, chemical manufacturers, and semiconductor or coil manufacturers. For partners, we're currently seeking for active business partners who can provide local market insights for more customized products to fit in the Southeast Asian market. As we already have our products on the official procurement shopping mall, you can also consider virtual POC with us. Thank you for listening, and if you want more detailed information or more questions you have, please visit our booth and feel free to ask any questions about our products. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ho-won Lee, working for MetaBuild in Korea. In this short presentation, I would like to introduce our technology related to transportation. MetaBuild is a company specialized in software development. Since its foundation in 1998, we have developed various middleware products and obtained various domestic and international certifications. As you can see on the right, our company has various business areas, such as AI, middleware, integrated platform, traffic-related radar system, and My Data platform. Smart city and autonomous vehicle, which are famous items these days, are also one of our core areas. However, today, I would like to explain the transportation-related technology among these technologies. Most of the existing traffic policies are focused on traffic flow and speed. Because time was the #1 issue in transportation area, there were many traffic accidents, resulting big social problems. Various attempts have been made to solve this problem, but there is a limitation to reduce traffic accident. At the same time, the demand for monitoring traffic conditions using digital twin has increased. So we developed Smart IDS to create a safe traffic environment. Smart IDS is a radar-based incident detection system. The system consists of 3 parts: a radar sensor and controller that collect the incident data, a tracking camera that shows the incident images to the operator, and a local controller that operates the system. The system is to prevent secondary accident by detecting incidents on the road, such as stopped vehicle, wrong-way driving, and pedestrians. And we also integrated our DT technology to help operators operate their facilities more efficiently. You can see we have many references in Korea and in the world as well. We are keep developing our technologies for safety and eco-friendly environment for next generation transportation system throughout many projects. There are various projects ongoing, but only two will be briefly introduced here. The first is a technology to protect pedestrians crossing crosswalks in school zones. It is a technology that reduces the speed of the approaching vehicle by detecting with a sensor installed with a traffic signal and controls the signal in real time. The second technology applies to intersections in urban areas. By detecting the speed and location of vehicle approaching the intersection, it controls the signal timing automatically. It encourages eco-driving by allowing vehicle to pass without stopping at the intersection. In addition to this, MetaBuild is carrying out various transportation projects using smart IDS. We want to develop these technologies in two tracks. First track is co-working between MetaBuild and partners. We can propose a project to Korea government to develop our technologies using our existing technology. The second is technology investment. We can share and combine our technologies each other for better product, and then we can introduce it to the market. Our goal is to open new global market. We look forward to meet passionate partners who are interested in us. Please visit our website for more information or send an email if you have any questions. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia and I'm from Bank, Korea. Today I want to introduce you the services our company provides. First piece, we are the first and largest financial platform in South Korea. We were established in 2000 and we are currently providing electronic financial services both for individuals and for companies. Also, we are listed in Kosdaq in 2019. You can just this page. We are providing the following services from the each cash payments to direct carrier billing. So each service has a different meaning and service type we are providing. So you can see it start from the each cash payment, which is the bank account-based payments through your mobile phone. And second is from banking with a partnership with All Bank in Korea. We can provide this service to all users. And third is electronic payments, which means a PG with credit card, bank transfer, reward point payment user. Fourth is about virtual account. It makes easily payment status for user. Fifth is about open pay with white label payment solution providers for SMEs. And the last one is about the direct carrier billing, which supports hybrid payments. So among of these six services we are providing, now we are providing the following services. As I told you in previous page, our main focus at the moment is each case payment among of six actual services. So it allows you easily to make payments, whether it will be mobile shopping or food delivery, only by using your mobile phone, which will be connected to the bank. If you look at the next slide, you can see the process of the registration for the service. So this whole process starts from the argument regarding terms and conditions, and you can select the bank. And for the last step, you can verify from your mobile operator with ARS verification. And last step, the final step, you can configure the PIN setting, it means the password. So from the next purchasement, you can put your password and you can pay whatever you want to buy to your mobile phone as well. At the past, customer had to go to the bank or to the ATM machine to make payments or bank transfer. But due to the evolution of electronic financial services, we are able to do it via online. So currently, we're working with major Korean companies and platforms such as Coupon, Kakao, and Me and Neighbor, but we are looking for another good opportunity to go to the global market as well. So now we would like to expand our business to find any good potential global partners over the world. So we will welcome to have a good chance to reach out to you guys through this exhibition. So I hope you understand about our business type and service we are providing so far. So I hope you guys visit our booth for more discussion regarding the business. Thank you for your paying attention about my presentation. Let's get in touch. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Nita from Deepixel Singapore. Deepixel is one of the largest software company of South Korea. It provides many kinds of system software ranging from operating system, web application server, database, mainframe modernization products, etc. Today I'm going to talk about our RDMBS, which is called Tibero. Before I talk about Tibero, let's talk about market trends. Today we are living in data-driven era. Everything around us is data, and we expect that by 2025, the amount of data growth is about 19.2%. So potentially, we might be having to store and access about 180 zettabytes of data by 2025. When data is core of every business, and when we say that, we can understand that data can be in different formats. There are so many kinds of businesses, and so data also has many types. So we can have text data, music files, audio, video, images, geospatial data, etc. Every kind of information that we use or gather starts with storage and retrieval of data. When we talk about data upsurge, we also need to consider cost upsurge. We need to think about securing of data, its future growth, ease of storing and retrieval without affecting performance of applications, and cost that will also be incurred. We may need to consider various technologies available in market. So there are many database vendors for RDMBS databases. So there are some databases which are open source, and there are some which are for enterprise class. For example, Tibero, when I talk about it, it will be considered as one of the top tier RDMBS, which can stay consistent, can provide high performance, scalability, and high availability. So let me go into the details of Tibero. It provides features for performance like Tibero Active Cluster, cost-based optimizer, various functions for partitioning of data, indexing, etc. Similarly, for reliability, we have features like Tibero Standby Cluster. This can help to have a standby database running if your primary database fails. Similarly, we have features like Tibero Active Storage, which can help for striping, mirroring, and load balancing of data from database itself. Then we have backup recovery features, encryption features to secure your data. For usability, we have many tools like TApp, SysMasterDB, and Tibero Studio. Then when it comes to compatibility, if you want to migrate from your current database to Tibero, we have a very high compatibility with Oracle database. We can also have
multiple operating system supports and cloud support, and we also support standard SQL and interfaces. Let me talk about our key feature TAC, because we are second company in the world who has developed this active shared disk-based technology. In this, you can see that you can have multiple nodes of database. So if any one node fails, your applications can fail over to the next surviving node, and applications will not feel any downtime. So after looking at all the key features, I would like to summarize with this slide. If you want to choose a database which can provide you high TCO savings, so we can guarantee at least 40% saving on your licenses and more than 50% on your MA. We also have built-in and advanced security options, so users do not have to pay separately to use these features. And we also support licensing on virtualized core. So we do not charge if you are not using those cores in a virtualized environment. We provide high compatibility with Oracle database, so you can reuse the skill set, and you can also reuse all your database objects without having to rewrite all your code. We provide high performance features and easy migration. So if you want to migrate to Tibero, we provide a fully automated tool called TApp, which can migrate all kinds of objects by single click. So you do not need to think about rewriting everything or checking all your things after you migrate to Tibero, because everything can be done by the tool very easily. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kevin Kim at Winning Eye, and I'm going to introduce about Touchless Biometric solution, which is called Echoss SDK. Winning Eye is, we can tell who we are. We are innovative, and we are passionate, and we are winning in the global market right now. Winning Eye is the specialist and development company for new generation technology of biometric solution. We are specialist and development company of mobile touchless biometric technology. We have mobile InsureTech digital biosignature solution and mobile identification service with palm print authentication solution also. The last one is software biometric solution for financial service like banking application, securities application, and insurance application. And also, we have trustable of technology and security of biometric. Technology of recognition, storage on device or server, and capture the biometric information with the rear camera of the smartphone or tablet PC. And we provide to financial industry over 60 years and development on the biometric technology. And we supply the SDK for in-app or embedding. SaaS model, SaaS cloud service planning for expanding our business. And we have a biometric platform plan with blockchain, and we have 2 patents in Korea and United States. We are expanding the market to global right now. We started with business with reseller located in Singapore and Indonesia, and we selected by global support program and mining the clients. And also we are able to speak in English and Chinese also. Our technology has security technology, anti-spoofing technology, and capability legacy DB technology, and auto focus positioning capture technology also. We have 2 versions of this touchless biometric solution. One is touchless fingerprint technology, and second one is touchless palm print technology also. especially we are security technology is very important being supplied to the financial industry in Korea, in domestic market also. We as I mentioned that we have two versions of the our technology, and you may see our clients on the bottom of the pictures of our products. This is our summary of the basic technology. We are providing SDK, support Android and iOS, and performance with the rear camera. And the minimum requirements is 8 megapixel, and autofocusing LED light is required. And our technology is strong to skin condition changes, like wet, dry, or any damage of the fingerprint or fingerprint. So, we supply the high resolution line image and tokenization multiple times and multi-fingerprint recognition technology we have. Palm print recognition also we have. We supply to our clients. Compatible with the different smartphone model, which is that if the users use our products on Android OS environments, it is possible to use the same bioinformation on iOS also. And we supply reusable biometric information, and it is possible to extract the biometric information from the device. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Hi, greeting from Korea. This is Simpson Kim, Deputy General Manager of Overseas Marketing Headquarters of the RKIT. First of all, I really appreciate to have such a good opportunity to attend the crowd pitching program. I hope we will find a partner who can collaborate with our company to realize various solutions for smart city all over the world through this opportunity. We are the RKIT Corporation Limited, founded in 2008. We are a specialized company for video analysis based on artificial intelligence. The strength point of the RKIT are stability and productivity. In the past 4 years, our sales revenue has been increasing at an average rate about 30 to 35%. Despite of COVID-19, we are expecting over 30% sales increase in this year as well. Most of our sales revenue came from government-based projects based on our own solution. Moreover, we are organized with 110 staff, and around 50% employees consist of R&D and product development team. So we can provide various customized solutions based on market condition. Our core technology is deep learning-based technology to analyze various video information. We establish our own image data set and train the software ourselves so that we can provide high accurate object detection and analysis rate. These technologies can be applied on various industries. Since the post-industrial revolution, many countries have been making great effort to build a smart city for social safety net and convenient life. We, the RKIT, has been providing various solutions for smart city using public data, especially CCTV information. For effective operation of CCTV control center, the RKIT has been providing high-speed video searching solution for primary action of specific event and detecting and tracing human and vehicle objects. Using our core technology, it's available to find the object what we want to find in CCTV footage by analyzing similarity evaluation. And based on GIS, we can select the territory of CCTV installation. Eventually, we can trace the moving paths of the object per time zone. We expect that our video analysis technology will support reinforced social safety net, such as primary action for specific event, finding lost kids and old men, and other safety purposes. For safety purpose, A lot of CCTVs are installed all over cities. On the other hand, we are always exposed by CCTV everywhere, like GDPR in European Union, in PDPA in Singapore. Many countries are carrying out and strengthened Personal Information Protection Act. In case of exposing CCTV footage to outside as evidence of specific event, we need to do the privacy protection treatment. Using our object detection technology, it's available to detect privacy objects automatically, such as our face and body shape and number plate, and provide masking function of them to not expose. Also, watermarking and DRM feature can protect image data from forgery and alteration. Privacy is also included with general public like us, not only CCTV control center. So we launched a web-based messaging service in this year. By using cloud-based GPU, we just joined the website without high-performance hardware for deep learning technology. And we can treat the privacy protection was exposed from its own video data. In the near future, we're expecting this kind of service will be general service in the world based on Privacy Protection Act. Like as our slogan, we know IT changes your life. We hope our technologies and solutions are going to contribute for a safe and smart world. Thank you for listening.